Hello guys, welcome to Skill Up 3.0, brought to you by Dion Academy, a subdivision of Dion International Business Hub. This program is focused on smartphone profitability, and I, Mr. Dion, your first ever smartphone profitability coach, shall be your chief pilot in this transformational flight. At the course of this program, I shall be teaching you how to convert your smartphones from liability to assets. If you are ready, I am ready. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome to class. In this video, I shall be teaching you how to screen record on your smartphone. Okay, so the first thing you need to go is to have a screen recording app installed on your phone. Some phones do have built-in screen recording feature, just like mine. You can see it here. This is the screen recording. So if yours don't have this, or you need advanced features, all you have to do is to download an external screen recording app. Go to your Play Store. Let's download Xrecorder. So you come over here, click on Xrecorder. We have Xrecorder here. So this is your Xrecorder. You can see it installed on my phone. Xrecorder. This is owned by InShot. Look down here. Okay, they are the owner of this screen recording app. So have it installed on your phone. You can upgrade. I don't want to upgrade now, so I'm satisfied with the features of the version I'm using. Then just open the app. I have it here, Xrecorder. So launch the app. Once you launch the app, the first screen we saw is for you to set it up to your test. Let's open it. So I've recorded some videos using the Xrecorder. You set it up, come down here to setting, set it up this way. Microphone 100%, no video setting, you set it. This resolution is okay. You can increase it to 180, that is 1080, but let's leave it at this. This is to reduce the size of the video. If you increase it, the size will increase. If you increase the resolution, at the end of the recording, the size will be large. So let's leave it at this, and leave others at auto. Okay, then any other thing you feel like setting up here, you can set it up. Right, so when you click on the Xrecording app or Xrecorder, you have this and this, and you also have a drop down here. Then what you need to do is to click here and click on this red. You have this red circular button. That's to start recording. So let's continue. You see the countdown to start recording. It's already recording. Look here, you see it's recording. All right, here are advanced features you can use. You can use the brush, just free drawing on the screen. You can make use of this. You can switch it to a box. can use circle, you see, to highlight these amazing features of the Xrecorder. You can use the arrow, switch it to the arrow, and then let's exit so that this one's up. Let's go again. You have this, let's say you want to clean a place while recording. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? This is amazing. This is amazing. Are you seeing it? Okay. You want to select a color for all of these things you'll be doing. This you want to be using green color. Then anything we do, the arrow automatically become green. This green, green. See, green. So, but let's bring it back to red. Okay. I have these other ones to clear those shades you added to it with the other feature. Okay. Then to undo, you have this to undo your. Okay. Perfect. Then this has another feature, the camera feature. When you click on the camera, you see this, that camera will screenshot as you record. That is the function, it will screenshot. Then still come over here, you have this box here. This is the same, this brush is the same thing as Deals Edit. So you have this other one here, this box down here. Here you have options to use the screenshot and also camera. Let's say you want to video yourself, take selfie of yourself as you are recording. So just click on the camera. Let's allow it. Then you have the camera picture here. So I don't really want my face to show for now. Alright, so assuming you want to display your face, I'm just covering my camera. Okay, is irrelevant, my face is not needed. This is a brand, we are teaching under a brand, so my face is not needed. Okay, you get it. So this is how to do it, and your face will display here. You can move it, place it anywhere as you record. This is my face. Okay, all right, let me turn it off. Great. So from here you can set up some things as you record. All right, so this is how to go about it. When you are done, you can pause while recording. This is the pause. You can pause. So it's paused now. You can continue recording. Click here, you continue recording. Then if you want to save it, just click on this, click on this, and you have it saved. Okay, it's saved right now. Okay, you can play it to see what you have. Okay, you can play to see what you have. I'm recording with another app, so the Xrecorder did not record the voice because the microphone is in use by another app. Okay, so this is what we have, right? So this is how to record with the X recording app. You can delete. Let me delete this. Okay, we have it deleted. It have been moved to trash. So you can always come over here to delete whatever thing you have here. Whatever thing you've moved to trash, you can delete it permanently from here. So we have this. Let's delete. Let's empty the trash. We've emptied the trash here. All right, so these are the basic features of the Xrecorder app. So this is how to record classes, how to record anything on your screen, maybe people's status, anything at all you want to screen record. This is how to go about it. So in this video, we've explained how to use the Xrecorder app to take screenshots, to show video of yourself, and how to use the brush, the arrow, and other highlighting tools. Thank you, and see you in the next video, in the next class. Bye.